that you and I could tell each other everything for 2 months. But even without oath, with truth on our side, when you turn away from me, it's not right. I think you're a contra. 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 And I think that you lied. Don't call me a contra till you've tried. Never pick sides, never choose between two. But I just wanted you, I just wanted you. Said never pick sides, never choose between two. But I just wanted you, I just wanted you.